It's floating.
That's a dead car.
Look, it's floating.
Oh no, there it goes.
Salmon.
He killed him when he was like 6
You want to go sick? Go ahead, go in there.
Like he would just be like holding them and shaking them.
Stand in it, and then Daddy's gonna get my jacket out. Hold on. Mikey, don't go that way. You're gonna go into the deep water. And I'm trying to get you.